Okay, so on this question, we have a fraction divided by an expression. So how do we do that? Well, basically, let's put this over 1, right? Whenever we have a whole number interacting with the fraction, put it over 1 just so it looks like a fraction. It hasn't changed it. Excuse me. Now we have a dividing. How do we do dividing? Well, whenever we have dividing, we change it to multiply. And basically the one on the right flips. So I'm going to take this one on the right and it'll go like that. The one on the left stays the same. Just like that. That makes sense. A lot of people say it this way: keep, change, flip. So keep the first one the same, change the middle from divide to multiply, and flip the one on the right. Flip it upside down. Why? Why do we do that? Because dividing is upside down multiply. I don't want to just give you some rule because Mr. Heron says so. I want to show you what's true. Math just following what's true. Think about it for a second. I think you know it if I show you an example. What is 10 divided by 2? If you have 10 people and you divide them into 2 groups, how many people in each group? Well, 5, of course. Right. Now, what if you take 10 and you say, I'm going to take half of those 10 people? Well, same thing, 5, huh? Right. So do you see how dividing by a whole number is the same thing as multiplying by the upside down, isn't it? See how dividing and multiplying are just the opposite? You know that already, just looking at those examples, huh? So dividing and multiplying are just the upside down of each other, aren't they? So that's all we just did here. I just said, look, change from divide to multiply. And that means you've got to flip the one on the right. See how the 2 flip to be a half? Dividing and multiplying are just upside down of each other. That's all we're doing. So if you have a dividing problem, change it to multiply and flip the one on the right, because dividing is just upside down multiplying. All right, so now it's a multiply problem, and you know how to handle multiply problems, right? We can cancel items that are added and subtracted. So what happens is this t cancels, leaving t squared up there, doesn't it? Because t cubed means 3 t's. One of those canceled with the 1 down below. So what are we left with? 3 t squared over 7 times 9. Oh, wait a minute. I'm sorry. I could have canceled one more thing and I need to. Let's go back. One thing I forgot. I can also cancel 3 into 9 3 times, huh? So now what are we left with? On the top, t squared. On the bottom, 7 times 3, 21. Oh, no more t. My mistake. The t's gone. 21, period. And there we go. You see what happened there? So dividing is upside down multiplication. Change to multiply and flip the fraction on the right. And then just cross cancel, meaning the 1 t on the bottom canceled with one of the 3 t's on the top, leaving 2 t's on the top. And the 3 went into 9 3 times, and then just multiply. After you've canceled, multiply whatever's left over. 3 times 7 is 21. And so there we go.